Hello friends, we are starting over the fourth tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we learned about the subscript and the superscript. Now we are going to learn about the bullets. Before we are going to the bullets, in the previous topic, we should need to the continue. For example, here you see the chemical formula of the water is H2O. Now I just want to change it to make the wrong and then it's correct. For example, I want to show something wrong or that is cut it. So here we use the tag of del del. Same, I close with the del tag. Inside in this tag I can use anything what I want to delete. For example, I want to the wrong formula of H2O, so let's see here. Okay, now I make it the wrong. See, the chemical formula of the water is not H2O2 but it's H2O. Same as if I want to add something, another thing like I just want to show the price of something, the old price and the new price. I use the cut it here. The price of code is 1800. I just want to cut it 1000 and the new price will be 800. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is how to insert the bullets and the numbering. Okay, now let's continue from here. We have the two types of the what is the difference between the bullets and the numbering. Numbering means we are in the sequential form and the bullets should be the unsequential, means you can make first, second, third, could be anything. In the numbering you are making the first, second, third as a ordered. So we call as a, in the numbering is a ordered list, and the bullets should be unordered list, OUL. So this is the scope of our the ordered list, and inside the ordered list I use in the bullet points in as a numbering. So I use the li tag from the both, either I use the ordered list or unordered list. Okay, now if I write, for example, here there are 7 days in a week. So what these days are: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Now let's see what's happening here. Okay, they are the 7 days in a week. So it makes in the order list. If I make it the outside of the order list, it must be in on the corner. Okay, let's suppose if I write outside of the ordered list, so it will be on the corner. So it's up to me what is my requirement. Let's see here. Okay, now Here is the number means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but sometimes we require the alpha, beta, theta, ABC, or sometimes we need the Roman. So in the HTML we have the option, we can make it by using the type, and we can select whatever we want. So we have the number system, we have the ABCD, and we have the Roman also. By default it's a number. For example, if I use the I, so it will convert the all words should be the numeric. If I want to make it the A, so it will become alphabet ABCD. Same as we make it to be the capital as well, both the numeric and the Roman. So better let's write numeric. This is the by default. Okay, now second point is we are going to make the unordered list. For example, I write it here. After going outside UL, this is the unordered list. Same as I use the li. Now I make some unordered list. Okay, here I use I like these fruits. What? Mango, orange, apricot, and one more, apple. Let's see. We have seen there are the bullets I have made. By default it's in the disk format, but if you want to change in the pure HTML, we have the only 4 options. Here I write in the UL, here I write type same as we write on the ordered list. Now the first is a disk. This is the by default that you see, there will be no change. Second is square, SQUERE, square. Here see the bullets change into the square form. The third one is a circle. And the final is none. Sometimes we didn't want any bullet, but we want to show in the lining, so we are making none. We have the 100 types of the bullets in the CSS, but in the pure HTML we have only these 4 types of the bullets. Now here is our topic. If you have any question, please write the question. If you have any, I will respond you, and thank you for